Welcome to Film and Renovate. Yes, we're still in the accent wall room. We are going to install recess sliding in here. It is so dark you can't see, babe. What do you think?
Yes. During the day, there's plenty of lights because there's plenty of window, but at night, it's this bad.
Let's make it go from dark to light. 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 Let's go!
Ooh,
I bumped my head. Okay guys, so the wife's at work, the boys are watching TV, and it's just me and the girls today.
So guys, the first thing we're going to be doing is prepping the wall and putting this carpet all around the wall so that it doesn't get damaged.
That's right.
Let's get started!
Here we've got the marks already done. We're not 24 inches from the accent wall, 36 from that wall, and we're gonna install 1, 2, 3,
4,
and 4. This is what we're gonna be working with here for our recess sliding. This is the diameter that we're working with right here. Okay? And we got it right? Okay, let's go. Let's make these cuts.
Yeah!
Planning on trying to keep the ceiling while putting in this recessed lighting. That's not going to work. I'm going to show you why. We don't have an attic and there's a bedroom right above. So the only way to access the ceiling for the wiring is to break through it. More demo. Ceiling done. Now time to start making holes for my wiring. Yes, I decided to go with an all metal construction workbox. Finally got it in, now I'm gonna wire it. There was no insulation in there, so I'm glad we did that step. So right now we're doing all the electrical. It gives us a little bit more room to do that. And we're gonna run to the hardware store and get some insulation, put up the ceiling, get the recess sliding in. Let's get it going. Okay. Okay, we got all the insulation, we got the sheetrock, we're gonna start this project. I need a little bit of help. Come on, come on.
Hello. So my husband was gonna get somebody else to help him, and I told him that I can do it. He thinks that I'm not strong enough, but I am.
We will see. Is it like this, or is it gonna be like?
Only reason we didn't put insulation on that side because there's nothing up there. with the ceiling. Right, Greg?
Let's put up the sheetrock. It's time to go.
Yo, I'm a boss. I'm a boss, guys. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Take me to your heart. Greg is getting annoyed with me.
I got it. Babe, don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay, I'm not trying to rush you, honey.
I got it.
You don't have, you see it? Wait, I hope this is on camera. It's on camera. Oh my God, it's on camera. It's on camera. You see it? I'm gonna see it myself. Wait, what you want me to do?
Come on.
Hold on. Is it the stash?
Push it up.
Let's go. Guys, this is not easy.
Getting better.
I will never say anything to my husband again.
What you say?
Nothing.
Oh, that's what I thought.
Hey, who worked with you? First off, in the beginning of the video, you, my sir, said that I would not be able to hang. Did I hang? Yes or no?
I give her that. She hung for sure.
So.
Yeah, she was doing it.
Yep.
She was doing it.
So I'm talking back.
She did a good job.
Now, what you about to do?
I'm gonna get ready to tape mud. Tape and mud. I taught my wife how to do recessed lighting, and she is bossing it.
Don't turn on the lights. I don't wanna fight with you.
Wow, babes. Yes. Woo-woo. All right, guys, moment of truth. We got lights, baby. We got lights. We got lights. We got lights. Baby, we got lights. Holy smokes, this makes such a difference. Holy smokes. Guys, it has been such a long Saturday.
Long night.
But we are so happy to report.
We got the lights in.
We got lights, guys. We got lights. It's so pretty. So this is part 1 of, I don't know how many parts we're gonna have of doing this ceiling, because we still have to sand, paint, put the ceiling fan up.
Yeah, so tomorrow's a new day. Start sanding, and we'll try to finish this.
Bye.